Hello friends, in this video we will discuss about tuples. The tuples are also called as tuples. The tuples can be ordered, that is we can do positioning or offset assignment using the tuples, and they are immutable, that is we cannot change once if we assign them. So once the tuple is assigned something value and we cannot change it again. So if we try to change the item or add any item, so it gives the error like item assignment is not possible, and the tuples are denoted by using the parenthesis. So let's get into the tuples by looking at some of the examples. And by the way, the comments are two types. Here we have the comments like this is the single line comment where we use the pound symbol, and this is the multiple line comment, that is we use the doc string, that is three strings, three quotation marks, and here. So in between this we can type anything that will be assumed like a comment. And next, if we get into the examples of tuples, so let us take the tuple t is equal to, we assign a variable t is equal to tuple. So if you check the type, so if you check the type of t, we get the class type as tuple. We can also define the tuple by using the parenthesis, like simply we define the tuple using the normal parenthesis. So when we run it, we get the type as tuple. So whereas for the list we use the square brackets as a defining. So in these tuples we take the elements like so here we define a tuple by using the variable t, and in this tuple we assign the values like happy, life, 99, and inside like strings and integers. And inside tuples we can have any other objects like this is a type of set and this is the type of list, or we can also have the dictionaries. So in this tuples we can do, it is called as the tuples are ordered, that is we can do find the position of the element by using the index. So indexing is possible, that is offset indexing is possible, so according to the position. So this is similar to the list. So lists are the referred by using the object called arrays, and similarly tuples are also similarly referred by using the objects as arrays, whereas the dictionaries are referred by using the hash tables, that we will discuss about the dictionaries in the next video. So for now the tuples, so we print the tuple t. So when we run it, we get the tuple as the output. And next, suppose we want to do indexing. The indexing and slicing is possible in the tuples. So let us do the indexing by 3. Let us assign the index by 3. So we get 8 comma hello, that is a set. So similarly the native indexing is also possible in this tuples. So if we check the last number, we got the color as the list. So we define the list by using a color as the element, so we got the last element as the output. And next we can do the slicing as well. So we will print from 1 to up to 3. So when we run it, we got life comma 99. So these two we got as 0 1 2. Suppose we give like 5, we get the output like. Or suppose if you want to change any item inside this element, so let us check that. So we check it by t of, we first index that has, suppose we want to change this life, so its position of index is, so its position will be 1, that is equals to. And if we want to change like string, so when we run it, tuple object does not support item assignment. So we cannot do item assignment, that is the tuples are immutable, we cannot change them. And compared to the lists, the tuples are somewhat faster than the lists. Suppose if we want to check what are the methods inside this tuple, so we just print the, or we take the help dir of, we pass the class as tuple tup, so the class name will be tuple. So when we run it, we got the methods inside this tuples. So we have like count, index as maximum, we use this both itself. So we use basically lists as more compared with the tuples. So that's it for the video. See you with the dictionaries in the next video. Thank you.